I am so excited to show you guys so much about this gorgeous house. Not only am I excited to bake cookies here, but I feel like it's a beautiful place for a family to make memories. And we are here in the master bedroom. We have some beautiful double closets with some built-ins put in already. Super excited. Really spacious, large room for any family. One of the things I really love about this home is the absolutely beautiful open concept. Everything from the kitchen to the living room to the dining room has such an amazing flow, and we're able to see the whole house all at once. We have brand new flooring, and wait till I show you the stove. So this is a commercial grade stovetop grill that has been imported from Italy. This is a very expensive stove. As you can see here, it's all built out with a commercial grade. So this kitchen is perfect for any chef. We have a cast iron, extremely heavy grill top. Not only am I personally amazed by these ovens, but they come with an air fryer, a steamer. You could set them up on your way home. I mean, what chef doesn't need 2 ovens? One of the added benefits, a lot of oversized ranches do not come with this added bonus space. They usually stop about here. However, this is an incredible addition. Now let me show you the in-law. So we accidentally discovered this gorgeous fireplace by knocking down some drywall. Who would drywall this gorgeous fireplace? Don't ever do that again, thank you. Now it is completely cleaned out, brand new, mint condition. So almost like its own private apartment down here. We have a private bathroom. We have a lovely dinette area here. We didn't want to change these tiles because they had such character that really added to the value of the house. It's a very, very expensive tile, also imported from Italy. So we just replaced the few that were damaged or cracked, and we're able to keep that character within the house. This is the second kitchen with all brand new appliances. And we have 2 separate entrance and exits for this addition, which makes it perfect for anyone to be able to rent out or have for a mom or dad. And that additional living space comes right out to parking. Such a gorgeous, quiet street. This is truly such a beautiful neighborhood. If you'd like any more information on 18 Milton Street, please feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is listed below. I'm Madelynn Duarte, and I am happy to help.